Xlookup is a lot like VLOOKUP, but Xlookup can be a bit easier to use. The only catch is that Xlookup is currently only available in Office 365, and Office 365 currently doesn't work on our work computers, but you can use Office 365 on a personal computer, or you could use Office online, and you can do that on a work or personal computer. I'm currently on a work computer, but I am online at office.com. Now, Xlookup doesn't require your lookup value to be on the far left hand side. It could be anywhere. So let's just move it around just to see if we can get it to work. So now I have banner ID in the middle instead of on the far left. And also it doesn't have to be sorted ascending like VLOOKUP. So let's just change some of these around. Now let's just start typing the formula. Put an equal sign. All formulas start with equal, and we'll type Xlookup. And as you can see, Excel found that formula or that formula process. Open parentheses. And now it's asking me for the lookup value. You can see that in dark letters here. And the lookup value is still going to be that unique thing between the two tables, which is banner ID in this instance, F2, comma, lookup array. So this time, instead of selecting the entire table, I just choose the list that has the information that's going to be matching. And again, it's banner ID in the other list, so I'll just check column B or click on column B. I left clicked, it chose the entire column. Notice it put here B to B, comma, return array is what I want it to return, which is phone number, and that's in column C, comma, if not found is optional. So instead of NA, I could tell it to return a reference to a cell, or I could put something in quotes here, like for instance, not found. I put that in quotes, comma, and then again we could do false or true, and false means exact match, close parentheses, and enter. And there's our match for that one, and we can do copy relative all the way down. I'm just going to double tap on the field handle. And notice we don't have a banner ID 2 in this list over here, so it returned not found instead of NA. And there's another not found, and it matched the other data.